Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and my filter light came on in our Levoit Core Mini Air Purifier, so we immediately went to the replacement filter directly from Levoit. I personally love to get replacement filters right from the manufacturer because I know that they are top-notch quality and I know it is going to work very well with our Levoit air purifier. This air filter I know is amazing because I've already used it. It's just time to replace it. This is a 3-stage filter. The pre-filter helps to get large dust and hair that's in the air. The HEPA filter really helps to collect the pollen that we have, which is one of our main reasons for having these. And then the carbon filter also helps to remove odor. What I love about these replacement filters from Levoit is, one, they're super easy to change. Simply open it up and swap it out. But more importantly, they work. You can look to see how our old filter is nasty, full of gunk. Now, I know when I put in this beautiful white new filter, it's going to end up that way because it works and it's doing its job. It's trapping all the dust, pollen, and nastiness in our air so we can breathe a cleaner air. This replacement filter is strictly for the Levoit Core Mini Air Purifier, and if your light is reminding you it's time to change the filter, I would definitely go with the replacement filter directly from Levoit. And that's my point of view.